Overall, I really thought this book was great. It's Dianetics, The Modern Science of Mental Health by L. Ron Hubbard. Here are some of the things that it goes over. The goal of man, the scope of Dianetics, the clear, the goal of man again, but that gives you more and more about it. The four dynamics, the summary, and everything else that goes with the reactive mind. As it says, the single source of all inorganic, mental, and organic psychosomatic ills. And it tells you all about those. And then it even tells you about the auditor's role, the diagnosis. And this book actually goes over depression, anxiety, schizophrenia, stuff like that, to give you more tools to handle those problems in life. And as you see here, the goal of man, it goes over the scope of Dianetics, what good Dianetics is all about, how it will help you, the different things that you always wanted to know are right in here. It was actually a pretty good book. I read a lot about it, a lot in it. I especially want to be clear. Clear is where you have no negative effects on your past experiences in life. And that's always a pleasure point, because now you can live life the way you wanted to, and you can use the past experiences in life as your tools to survive in this world. The reactive mind doesn't really need to be there, and going clear will actually get rid of it forever, which would be awesome. And this is more and more about it. Now, I really recommend you see, this is the descriptive graph of survival. This is what L. Ron Hubbard actually, graphed and showed everybody: the potential immortality and ultimate pleasure. So this is basically the ultimate plan of your reactive mind and what it's doing to you: survival and suppression and suppressor. So it's basically right at the 30-35 mark. The death and the ultimate pain will start kicking in, and this is when you're young, So you start off fresh, you go down to the 70 years, and you die, basically. Yeah. So if you're looking for a good book to read that will actually save you and help you with mostly everything, then I would totally get this book. I recommend it to everybody. Yeah. It's taught me a lot. I can actually live life the way I wanted to. And now I'm very, very into Dianetics and learning more about it. Now, everybody's been asking, Dianetics, isn't that the same as Scientology? No, it isn't. Dianetics is a technology to help you in life through the mind and the soul. Scientology is a religion. It's based on the technology of L. Ron Hubbard. He discovered and developed this technology through many years of thinking man and researches, right? This is just basically on your mind. It's non-religious. L. Ron Hubbard did recommend this in Scientology to everybody who's a Scientologist, but still does not mean that it's a Scientology book. Well, yep. So there it is. There you have it. You should totally get the book and get the DVD, and yeah. And also in the back of the book, it tells you Dianetics in the 21st century. It's still around. It's not going anywhere. And this is what happened when he first released it. It was intense. He started doing lectures, and he started just passing it around. He started publishing books. You get in these big demonstrations with everybody. And these are the ads that come up, and people going there and all that. See, Scientology uses the Dianetics technology in their religion, because every religion and every, all of the governments do. See, and then these are all the places, all the churches that use it, all the churches of Scientology that use it, especially in Los Angeles is the most prominent. See, and it's showing you all of the places that you can go to and ask all of these Scientologists what's happening. Like, how did it go for them? And see to the problems we face personally as a society. And read that for a second. Yeah. And you can always go to the Church of Scientology and get some Dianetics help, because the Church of Scientology and the Dianetics Foundation, they share a building. That's what L. Ron Hubbard wanted, so that Scientologists can do Dianetics services and Dianetics can stay on the Dianetics path and still be in the same comfort. Okay, that's it. Thanks so much.